Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Bridge Network. Now, this is the recent update about Bridge Network for people who participated in their testnet early this year in January. If you participated in their testnet, I want to tell you that you have qualified for this airdrop. I'm going to be showing you where to check to know if you are qualified for this airdrop. But before we go straight into the video, I want to officially welcome you to Deep Tutors. Welcome to Deep Tutors. In Deep Tutors, we focus in making videos that are good for your pocket. All you need to do for us is to like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. Please help us to get to 1,000 subscribers, and don't forget to join our Telegram channel. All you need to do is to check the link in the description, our Telegram channel, for you to join our amazing community. A whole lot of things we shared in our Telegram channel, so you don't need to miss it. You can see the videos we are dropping in this channel is amazing. We are talking about coin reviews and different other things we are doing in this channel. You don't need to miss any of our information. All you need to do is to check the description below to join our Telegram channel. All right, let's get straight to the video. Alright, so this is Bridge Network, multi-chain transaction made easy. Now, it's interesting what these guys want to do, really amazing. I can tell you the vision they have or the solution they are bringing in the crypto space is something that we really need. Alright, you can see all cross-chain tools all in one place, which is really amazing. Now, they are backed up by FXCS Ventures and so many venture capitalists. You can see all the venture capitalists that are backing up this particular cryptocurrency called Bridge Network. It's amazing what they really want to do here, and these are one of the things they are offering, the solution they are offering to the crypto space. You can see a fully integrated suite for cross-chain tools. The first one is what? Token bridge. Is amazing how you can actually bridge token to different network. Is amazing. I don't know if you've actually struggled to be able to move from one network to the other. So with this platform, you can do that seamlessly. Now, another thing they want to do is bridging of NFT. This is something really huge and new. Now, I've not seen any NFT bridge before. There might be, but I don't know. But I've not seen it. But this is really amazing, and I can see custom tokens. I don't really know what is this custom token. What is it all about? You can see multi-chain explorer, cross-chain trading, and cross-chain yield aggregator. I don't really know much about these last four, but talking about the NFT bridge and the token bridge, I think this is really a big win. So other ones can be a good product or good services for the crypto space. It's really amazing what these guys want to do. You can see the challenges they are solving: a broken user experience, centralized cross-chain protocols, asset scaling on centralized cross-chain protocols. It's amazing what these guys are doing, and it's really important. You can see, you can actually check out their website to get more information. Every information and every link you need will be in the description below. So this is what Bridge Network is. You can see, you can click on this icon right here that shows Bridge is now live. If you click on it, it will take you automatically to CoinGecco. So this is CoinGecco, the information about this particular crypto. You can see the price, you can see the 24-hour trading volume, you can see the market cap. It's a very risky market cap. This is about $488,000, which is very risky, and it also lies huge opportunity if this particular crypto can actually do $100 million market cap on $200 million market cap. We are talking about 200x. But guess what? I am not telling you to buy this particular crypto, because why? It is very risky. This is just an update about the airdrop to check if you are eligible. I will show you where you can check to check if your wallet is eligible for this free money that is coming. It's actually a free money. You just need to check if your wallet is eligible for this free money. You can see the market cap, $488,000, and the 24-hour trading volume, $868,000. Guys, to me, this is an imbalance. Now, I'm going to be doing a video showing you about this, because why? Most people used to make this mistake, buying cryptocurrency assets that the trading volume is more than the market cap. Guys, you're actually making one of the worst mistakes, and I can tell you, I didn't learn this thing from anybody. It's out of experience, out of studying charts, out of paying attention to what is happening to crypto. I was able to understand that buying a cryptocurrency that the 24-hour trading volume that is more than the market cap is very risky. You can see every other information, the total supply, the circulating supply, and the maximum supply. You can see this particular cryptocurrency was built on the Binance blockchain. You can check their websites, you can check their Twitter, their Telegram, their Discord, their Medium, and every other information you need to know. You can actually scroll down to see other things happening. This particular cryptocurrency was recently launched. You can actually check every information you need to check in this CoinGecko website. It's amazing. You can see you can only buy it in L Bank and MXC. It's amazing where you can actually get this particular crypto. I believe you can actually buy it on PancakeSwap as well, since it was built on the Binance blockchain. So this is information you need to know about this particular crypto. Remember, I am not telling you to buy this. This is for people who participated on the airdrop. Yeah, this is for people who participated on the airdrop. All right, so this is where you check whether you are eligible for this particular cryptocurrency airdrop. So this is where you check. You can see, you can go to this website, bridgenetwork.com/airdrop_eligibility. So once you come here, you paste your wallet address. Now your wallet address that you use to participate in their testnet. So I'm going to be going back to their website to show you their testnet 2.0, how it works. I will show you that. I'm going to show you here if you're eligible for this airdrop. So let me copy my wallet address to check if I am eligible for this airdrop. All right, I've actually copied my wallet address. So let me go ahead and paste it. So let's check if I'm eligible. You can see I am eligible for this particular airdrop. Now, people who did this in January are about to make free money. Now, this is why you need to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and like our videos, because I'm going to be making more videos that are good for your pocket. Like the last video I did talking about Optimism airdrop. Optimism just gave an update about the airdrop. It's amazing. If you have not watched that video, go and watch our video about the recent update about Optimism airdrop. It's amazing the kind of videos and information we'll put out in this channel. All you need to do is to like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification. All right, so let me show you how this bridge network works. So let's check their testnet 2.0. You can click on this button right here. It will take you to the testnet page. So let's see what happens. All right, so this is the testnet page. If you want to check it, remember you have to use testnet blockchains. Now you need to use testnet networks. Now whether Phantom, Binance, or any other network of your choice, you must have to use testnet. Now for you to be able to get testnet networks, you use the website called Chainlist for you to do that. So you can see what people do here. You can actually bridge token from Phantom chain to Binance chain. It's amazing. You can actually change it to probably something else, probably anything of your choice. So but we're actually using Phantom chain. You can actually bridge to anything of your choice. It's amazing what you can actually do in this using this platform. It's amazing. But this is just the test net. This is the NFT bridge. Click on the NFT bridge. Let's see what happens right there. You can see coming soon. For me, I think this is really an interesting feature where you can actually bridge, NFT from network to network. It's amazing. Imagine bridging a dApp from Ethereum network to Binance network or any other NFT. You can not only dApp or CryptoPunk. You can actually bridge any other NFT of your choice to different blockchain. I believe you are really loving this video. All you need to do is to like our video, turn on the bell notification, and also stay tuned. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Click the link in the description and join our Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.